maganda ng bigote si Abante.
Ayun!
Sino ba yung mas magandang bigote?
Paano yan? Pareho kayo may bibigote.
Anyway, we're here. This is the last bastion of our democracy. We are taking the fight not in their court, but in the court of the Filipino people. Correct. Korte Suprema, the highest court in the land. Dito natin sila dadalhin because dito equal ang laban, fair lahat. So, ewan natin kung anong response nila o anong gagawin nila. I'm pretty sure mayroon din silang mga contingency plans, mayroon din silang mga sinasabing plan B or plan C or plan D or mga intimidating tactics na naman ang gagawin nila. So, we will be waiting for those replies and waiting for those actions sa kanila. Sasagutin naman natin yan in a polite and legal way din. No? Pero dun sa mga channels namin, talagang mumurahin natin sila ng los nila.
Ayun!
Mao ginagihulat na ko ba?
Mo na. Musikong ko ng buga na ng animal.
Thank you!
This is our fight. This is no longer our fight. This is the fight of the Filipino people. This is the fight for our freedom. This is now an authoritarian government, a totalitarian government. Wala na. This is just a facade. This is just an illusion of a democracy. We are not in fact in a democracy. I'm telling you that. And tell it to your children, tell it to your family, tell it to your friends. We are not in a democracy. This is just an illusion. People running this government are acting like gods. Wala na silang, they're acting with impunity. Wala na. They don't care about your rights. They don't care about your money. They don't care about anything except their own self-interest, their own vested interest, and to perpetuate themselves in power by suppressing and talagang tigihin lahat na ng mga dissenting opinions. No? So, I'm calling on the Filipino people. This is your fight. We need to speak up. We need to stand up. At dito yun. This is the last bastion of our democracy. I hope the Supreme Court will be wise, no? And will be considerate in tackling this petition, and hopefully we could get a favorable ruling from the Supreme Court. Because I still have faith in our justice system. Honestly, no? Yung legislative at saka executive, colluding na sila, as we all have seen. Pero ang Korte Suprema, I hope, and I still pray, and I still hope, no? Na they will still uphold the rule of law and interpret our laws of the land na dinisin na talaga for the betterment of the entire Filipino nation. So yun lang po, no? And I hope you will be with us in this fight because this is going to be a long and hard battle. It's going to be an uphill climb. So I hope andun kayo at itutulak nyo kami, no?
Sama nyo kami, sir.
Habang tinatahak namin.
Itutulak namin, sir.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir. Maayong hapon.
Maayong hapon.
Ayun nga po. Tama po, pre. Napaya kayong mga ninja, no? Naisang kayo ng mga vlogger, no? Tama naman dito sa pumunta sa Supreme Court, eh. Alam naman doon sila pupunta sa ano. Ito sisira na dito, eh. Nasaan? Sino yung interview nila? Sino yan? Meron ba madami? Maganda rin.
Dion, nasa si Dion? Dion! May Cetrix yan. Live yan.
Atras na, atras.
Ayan.
May isog fest tayo.
We are not.
Pwede tutukan.
Tatapan na.
Let me know. There's more press con sa Max. You can prepare full preparation.
Alam na namin po. Kapong
Second, para lang at least may fresh off the presses kayo.
Wait lang po. Wait lang po, wait.
Petition for certiorari and approbation. Ayan po mga kababayan.
Attorney, yung una, pipicturean, yung una po. Oo. Wait lang po ha. Wait lang, wait. Okay. Okay na, napicturean ko na.